Hi there, Campbell from PrintNinja here, and we are back with part 3 of our Industry Standards series. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the most common industry standard specs for graphic novels, manga, and webcomic anthologies. Come on, let's go! Industry standards have been implemented largely for ease of mass production, but in today's age of self-publishing, industry standards aren't as necessary as they used to be. That being said, if you want your book to fit right in on a bookstore shelf or in your readers' homes next to some of the big name publishers, consider the following when designing your project. Not too dissimilar to modern comic books, graphic novels typically have the following specs. Binding is either case-bound or hardcover, or perfect-bound, softcover. Size is typically 6.625 inches by 10.25 inches, like modern comics. Cover paper is hardcover or 10-point cover. Cover finish is gloss or matte lamination, your choice. And the inside paper is usually 70-pound text gloss or matte. Manga published outside of Japan is getting more and more popular here in the US. If you're thinking of publishing your own, consider designing to these specifications. Binding is usually perfect bound. The size is 5 inches by 7.5 inches. The cover paper is 10-point cover, gloss, or matte. The cover finish is gloss or matte lamination. And the inside pages are typically 70-pound text uncoated. Webcomics come in many different shapes and sizes, which is part of the beauty of them. That being said, there's not much of an industry standard, other than comparing to graphic novels. The binding is going to either be case-bound or perfect bound. The size will be based on the size of the webcomic. The cover paper, there's no standard for this. For cover finish, it's gloss or matte lamination, your choice. And the inside paper is either going to be 70-pound text or 85-pound text with any coating. Depends on the artwork. That covers the basics for these industry standards. We hope that provides some clarity for you as you build your dream project. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions, simply reach out and we'll be more than happy to help. Bye-bye!